If Microsoft Edge is showing a proxy error and websites are not loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get your internet connection working again. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it comes down to a proxy setting, a network reset, or a DNS problem. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, we're going to check your system settings and make sure the proxy is turned off. To do that, open your Windows settings and go to Network and Internet. From there, look for the Proxy section. Once you're there, make sure any manual proxy setup is turned off. If something here was enabled by mistake, that could be the reason Microsoft Edge is throwing a proxy error. After turning proxy off, close the settings and move on to the next step. Now, we're going to reset some network components using Command Prompt. Click the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. It's a good idea to run it as administrator so the commands can make system changes properly. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets the Winsock catalog, which can fix damaged network settings that may be causing the proxy issue. After that, type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. This resets your TCP IP stack and helps clear out deeper network configuration problems. Next, type ipconfig/release and press Enter. This releases your current IP address so your connection can be refreshed. Then type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This requests a new IP address from your router or network and can help restore a stable connection. After that, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which is very useful if Edge is loading old or broken network data. Once all of these commands are finished, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Restarting is important because it lets Windows apply all of the network changes completely. After your PC starts back up, open Microsoft Edge again and test a website to see if the proxy error is gone. In many cases, these steps will fix the issue and get Edge working normally again. If it still doesn't work, the problem may be with your internet provider, antivirus software, or another network setting, but these commands solve the problem for most users. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.